how to share photos as documents in WhatsApp in iPhone. So if you go here to your WhatsApp application directly, it will lead you to your chat section, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is to choose the contact that you want to share the photos as documents. So let's say this one. Now here on the bottom part, you will see a plus icon there. Tap on that, and here tap on documents. So the main reason why you share photos as documents is that to actually preserve the quality of the photo, because once you just directly share the photo here, let's go back here, directly attach a photo here, it will actually ruin the quality. So to be able to share photos as documents, there is go directly to your photos here and basically choose the photos that you want to be sent. So let's say these photos. So let's just tap on select here. So you select the photos there. Let's say these photos. Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part on the left side, you will see this share icon here or send icon. Tap on that and scroll down up until you see save to files. Now you have to choose where you want to save it to your file. So I want to save it to my iPhone here, and just basically tap on save on the upper right here. And now if you want to check it, go to files, and as you can see here, you can now see the documents, the photos. So the next thing that you want to do is to go back here to your WhatsApp application here, and then tap on the plus icon there and tap on document. Now once you go here to your document, you will now see the photos there. Just tap on that or select the photos that you want to send, and then tap on open on the upper right here, and then tap on send. So basically that is how you share photos as documents in WhatsApp and iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.